Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn CSIT. In today's video, we're going to talk about two very important topics from C programming, global variables and debugging. These are short but important questions often asked in Tribhuvan University first semester exams. So let's understand them in a very simple and clear way. Let's start with global variables. A global variable is a variable that is declared outside of all functions, usually at the very top of your C program. The main feature of a global variable is that it can be used and modified by any function in your program. No need to pass it as a parameter. In this code, A and B are declared outside all functions, so they are global. Main assigns values to A and B. The function sum directly accesses them and prints their total. This is why global variables are useful. They can share data between multiple functions easily. However, be careful while using them, because if many functions modify them, your program can become confusing or cause errors. Now, let's move to debugging. Debugging means finding and fixing errors or bugs in your program. Bugs can come from syntax mistakes, logical errors, or wrong assumptions about how the code should work. When we debug, we carefully check where the error is happening, correct the code, and run it again to make sure everything works properly. In simple words, debugging is the process of turning your errors into learning. So that's all for today's video. We learned about global variables and debugging in an easy way. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn CSIT for more question paper solutions and C programming tutorials.